Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you stopping back by again today. As always, I'm KANO. I appreciate all my new friends and new subscribers. I seen about an hour ago that Mission Souls just released a cover song by Ozzy Osbourne. Crazy Train. Now that's the kind of music I grew up listening to. I absolutely love that song. Rest in peace, Ozzy. We're gonna miss you, but your music lasts forever. I'll be listening to these songs until the day I'm gone. And Randy Rhoads was an absolutely amazing guitar player. The riffs in these songs is iconic, and I can't wait to watch Nisha do these riffs. I'm sure this is going to be great. I know it is, and I'm excited to watch it. But before we get started, I want to remind you that I've started a Facebook group, Expats of the Philippines. I've already got some members already from my last video, and I want to let you know that I appreciate each and every one of you for helping me out getting in the group. I want to make this the best group that we can go to help each other out in our journey of being expats in the Philippines. All right, guys. Well, I'm excited to watch this, and I wish you'd watch it with me. So once you grab your seat, make yourself at home. Let's get started.
We'll be trying this song. We just learned this.
They all look so pretty in their dresses. They all got dresses on. This must be a formal event. think we all knew that was going to be awesome. Nisha absolutely nailed it. She did a great job. That was amazing. I loved that. That took me back to the 80s and my teenage years. She did a great job. Ice did a great job. He killed those drums. I seen, it was one little time he hit the cymbal and went, he knew he hit the wrong cymbal at the wrong time, but if he hadn't have did that, nobody would have ever noticed. And Nasus does a great job, and Stacy sung it well. I wish it was a little better quality. I wish they would have done that in the studio. I mean, it was amazing. Don't get me wrong, it was great, but I would like to sing that in studio quality because that is an awesome song. I wish they'd go back when they got home and had a couple days. I wish they would do that in the studio because it would really be good in the studio. When you get that open court, in that type of environment, it's hard to record a really good song, especially the singing. It really don't record very well. But that was amazing. They did a great job. I loved it. They kicked ass. Nisha, you badass girl. You're awesome. You did great. Ice, you did great. You all did great. Well, listen, I appreciate you watching this video. And again, don't forget, subscribe to Expats of the Philippines. I'm going to put a link down below in the subscription so you can click on it, become a member. And anytime you want to get out, you can get out. But I want to make this the best group for us guys to meet, to help each other on our journey and life in the Philippines. All right, guys. Well, listen again. Thank you for everything. Thanks for subscribing to this YouTube channel and to the Facebook page. I appreciate each and every one of you. All right, guys. Well, until I see you again, you take care of yourself and God bless. Bye.